Hey team, the purpose of this video is to talk to you about some video casting options that you have available to you. Screencastify is probably one of the easiest resources to use, in my opinion. In the free version, you get up to 5 minutes of video time. If you want to record more than that, then you can just attach in Google Classroom the 2 or the 3 videos that you needed, and then they're broken up into 5-minute sections. If you don't know how to use Screencastify, you can do a Google search for YouTube and Screencastify, and they have an entire channel devoted to video content related to their product. In my opinion, it is best to scoot down until you get down to this area where it says 1.1. So this is how you install it. 1.2, this is how you record your first video. 1.3 is located here. A few of them are slightly out of order. And then it will navigate you to a point where you're like, I feel comfortable. I can figure the rest of it out on my own. But in my opinion, those videos are going to be very helpful for you. So for example, if I wanted to record something on my website, just for example, when I'm finished, that video content is going to show up in another screen like this. And I can use scissors in order to slice off the beginning or the end points of my video. I can't really do a lot of slicing in between, but I can do the beginning or the end if needed. And then I have access to a shareable link so that I can share it out to Google Classroom. I can instantly publish it to YouTube, or with that link, I can email it out to a colleague or someone else. Here is option number 2. The game bar is a resource that's already in your computer. If you hold down the Windows button and then touch the letter G for game bar, you're going to see an item that looks like this on your screen. The record button is this red button right here. On the bottom, you can't see in this picture how it says to record the microphone. Make sure you have a check mark inside of that microphone in order to record your microphone. Then when you're finished, press the escape button in order to get out. And then on your computer, this PC, videos, and captures is where you will find those video files once you are finished recording. Your other option, which is not necessarily the easiest of all strategies, is inside PowerPoint. Inside slideshow on the ribbon, you can record your slideshow. Your screen will appear like this. You can go through every single slide and narrate whatever you want to. And then when you're finished, you're going to have a teeny tiny video appear in the bottom right corner of every single slide based on everything that you said for each of those slides. Inside PowerPoint, here's another option. Along the top bar where you have that search box, type in the word export because you want to export to video. The other option gives you the power to choose the amount of time you want your video to last, and it's going to go through every single slide in your presentation and then create a muted version of that. Now, obviously, it doesn't have your voice over it. If you know how to put those two pieces together, then you can turn around and narrate over that in another video option and then export that. Team, I hope this resource was helpful for you. Thanks so much for paying attention and have a great day.